Well, last year the show was really big about Wi-Fi as a replacement technology over 4G LTE. I think it was a mistake for the industry. Now we're coming back to reality and view Wi-Fi as a complementary technology to 4G LTE. And so we're very much into how can we improve a customer experience of a service provider customers by leveraging Wi-Fi instead of going wild and thinking that we could do a replacement thing. By repositioning our offer into improvement offers for service experience, and we do that in two main ways. The first way is that we provide seamless access for customers so that they don't need to get into a portal, retrieve credentials and passwords when they want to get connected. They just do it with their SIM card information seamlessly. We can automate that. We can do this on request of the end customers of the telcos. So in the end, it's really way more convenient than the experience that exists today. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is that the telcos that have been deploying Wi-Fi have been deploying a technology which is not intended to manage subscribers. And so typically at the management level, you just manage access points, physical infrastructure, but don't have the view of what the customers are doing. What we are doing is that we're using our big data portfolio to actually mine what happens within the access points environment and understand at a service provider level what the subscribers are really doing and take action from that. So if there is a quality of service issue, we can take action on that customer and not on the physical infrastructure viewed as a single entity. Well, for the customers are introducing Wi-Fi packages in their cellular offers. Basically, they extend the data part of these offers to include Wi-Fi access whenever that's available. And by doing so, they make a promise to their customers. They say, you're going to get access to Wi-Fi and it's going to work. And we just help them do that and make it real. We are deployed with these solutions in customers all over the world. We have a solid pipeline. I think the main references that we have are in Japan, for example. We are in operation at SoftBank, which has introduced Wi-Fi offload across Japan. We have references as well in Venezuela and deployments in Americas and Europe, in Asia, all over the place. Our focus in 2014 is to add value into that portfolio of solutions. So instead of going wild and do net new things, we're going to increase the value delivered with these solutions. And so the seamless access, for example, is going to be made available multi-technology. We have some technologies that can do that today, but we're going to expand that so that we can deliver any use case required by customers. Similarly, on the management side, we're going to add more KPIs that we will be able to monitor at a service provider level for subscribers so that they can act on new variables and take actions to improve the customer experience in new ways. At Mobile World Congress this year, the show just became bigger. There are more people. I think they're talking about 80,000 visitors, which is huge. I remember it is my 15th one, and I remember we started at 20,000. So it's big. From a technology point of view, I think NFV is the main theme of the show and extremely strong, and we're lucky to be positioned ahead of the game there, so we really can leverage that first mover advantage, I think. And then I think there's a bit of disappointment as well on the device side from the visitors, because what they've seen is just the same story all over again for many of the vendors that have been introducing new devices at the show. These are my takeaways.